Often with limited resources to pay for the system's ever-changing needs, PennDOT and its municipal government partners are well aware of the tough challenges they face and must work collaboratively to overcome. That is where PennDOT's innovative agility program can serve as a solution to many of these challenges to help ensure seamless delivery of services across jurisdictional boundaries. Agility allows the exchange of services instead of money between PennDOT and municipalities as well as other eligible partners.
For that municipality or that organization that doesn't have the funds for them to be able to get something done that they otherwise wouldn't be able to, and provide something in return that they can do, it's a no-brainer.
For more information about partnering with PennDOT through the Agility program, email pdagility@pa.gov or visit the Agility page on PennDOT's website at www.penndot.pa.gov.